Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be doing an unboxing video and it will be from the Game On collection from Louis Vuitton. So without further ado, we're gonna get started. I just want to show you guys the bag because I just think the bag is really cute because it obviously suits the Game On theme. So you get the half of the heart shape here in the red, blue and purple color, and when you turn around the bag it has the other design and it's just like a blue theme, and on the side you see the design of the Game On collection, which I think is super adorable. What I'll do is I'll show you guys the unboxing, then I'll talk a little bit more about how I got it and stuff. So I got my receipt here and I got a couple of like perfume samples from my SA as well, which super grateful for. And this is the box. I'm sure you guys could probably tell what this is already. I haven't thought about the title yet, so either I will put the name of the bag or I'll put Game On collection. Not sure yet, but we shall see. If you open it up, this is the dust bag. And dun, dun, dun. This is the Game On FÉLICIE pochette. I am super happy with this. I honestly did not expect I would get this anytime soon, to be honest, because it was released, when did I go? So it was released 2 weeks ago, and when I went to Louis Vuitton in Auckland, which is based in New Zealand, it was the first day of the release and I went straight in with my friend and they did not have this at all in store. I even rang Louis Vuitton website as well and they said that they don't know when the next one will come in. So I spoke to my SA then and she was like, oh, we didn't even get this in store, like this was the only product, they didn't have it in store, and asked if I wanted to be on the waiting list. So I was like, okay cool, put me on the waiting list. And she suggested that, you know, just so you know, it's gonna be really hard to get because every store get a selected amount of this FÉLICIE pochette and they don't know how many they'll get in the next batch or something like that. But I didn't have high hopes at all. When she was looking through the waiting list, she was like, yep, you're actually the first person on the waiting list. I'm like, okay, sweet, cool, put me in. I mean, we'll see how it goes. Like, and she was like, just so you know, just remember, you know, it might be really hard to get. I'm like, yep, got it. So yeah, so I put my name down and I actually even went to the Queenstown store a week after that and went into there to talk to my other sales assistant, and she's like, yep, I put your name down, but just so you know, she pretty much said the same thing as the other sales assistant, how it's really hard to get, they don't know how many they'll get next time. So I was like, okay cool, didn't have high hopes. I even checked the online website constantly every single day, not available, so I was like, didn't think about it. And then a few days ago, my sales assistant from Auckland rang and I was like, hey, just so you know, like, I was actually not rang, she texted me, just so you know, we actually got the FÉLICIE pochette for you, and yeah, do you want it? And I was like, yeah, of course I want it. Like, did not expect it at all. So here it is. Like, she said like a lot of people were really jealous because I think they would only manage to get one in store, just one. So I was like, bless. Thank you so much. But yeah, super grateful. So this is the black one. I think it only comes in one color and I just love the design of it. When I first saw this, I didn't know why the LV look like it's like faded, but this is part of the pattern because on the gift bag itself it has the same design as well, but everything else is very abstract and very obvious. But I love the combo of this because I've always wanted a multicolored LV bag, but nowadays all those vintage ones, they cost so much and they look really old and destroyed. So I was like, I'd rather get this one, which is much more brand new. So when you open it up, it has just 2 inserts here as well. So the first insert is more like a card holder, so you can slot cards in, you can slot cash in here as well. Then this one, I also love this one. It's like a pouch in a way, and I will definitely be using this to put like my makeup essential tools like cotton bud, lipstick, and like eyelash glue, like stuff that I usually bring around with me. I've always wanted like a multi-pochette accessory, but I still want it. But I think in the meantime, I'll be using this until I get that. I think this will be a good size for me to put the products that I need and just bring this around. I know that a lot of people are using this separately than the bag so that you can actually fit more stuff in. And the chain itself actually came in with the with like a little seal bag as well, and it comes with this seal tape here, which I will pull out because I didn't want to do it without showing you guys. And I will slot this on here. Can I do it? Yep. I love how shiny this chain is. Can you guys see how shiny this is? I will also show you guys like a shot as well so you guys can see how this look like. But I haven't worn this out yet because I only just got this a day ago. But I know that with the original Felicie Pochette, it's very hard to get as well because a lot of people really like it. So I'm really happy that I got this in my collection now. It also has another slot here as well. So yeah, and I mean, we'll see how much products I can put now. I'll show you guys like a quick what can fit in here now. So the first thing I'm gonna put is actually the pouch again, and I have actually filled stuff of my essential like my eyelash glue, a mini perfume cotton bud, and plasters. And so I'm gonna slot this back into the bag. And then the other thing is my card holder. So this is the reverse monogram. I'm going to put it in here as well. And I feel like I can't actually put my cushion in at all. Or maybe I can. Actually, I can. But I don't think I can put my phone. Actually, no. I can put in my phone as well, which is at the back here. And I'm going to try... Actually, maybe not. Nah, it's not gonna work. So I'm gonna take my phone out because I think my phone is too big, and this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Unless I take, okay, let's just close this up first and see. So I can just pretty much just seal this up and that's it. So yeah, there's not much you can put inside here, to be honest. If not, what if I just take out the cushion and slot my phone if I really have to put my phone. To be honest, most of the time I don't put my phone in the bag, but if I put the phone out and not the cushion, then it will be fine as well. So yeah, I think you can only put a few things because this bag is really slim. So yeah, and I know some people also use this as a clutch, so obviously this strap is detachable, so you can just take this out and make it into a little clutch if you want to just hold it up like this. Usually I probably wouldn't do that because I don't go to event where I tend to use clutch anyway, so I would definitely use this strap. I think I'm really amazed with this gold strap because it is so shiny. Like I think most of my LV products here don't come with like strap like this. It's more of like those leather monogram type of strap, so this is definitely really unique, and I like that this is detachable because then I can use this for like other bags as well. But yeah, I'm truly really impressed with this bag. I mean, I love the pattern. I don't own any design like this in a way, and I love the inserts as well. I would definitely keep the inserts because I know some people that owns this actually sold their inserts away, but I actually find them pretty versatile because you can switch them out if you want to or use them separately, which I find really handy as well. And the price I got this was actually New Zealand 1990 if you guys are curious. But yeah, definitely very happy with this and so grateful that I actually managed to get one for myself. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions in terms of this bag, definitely put it down below and I'll answer them for you guys. But yeah, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.